Alex, quick question, please.
Tell me.
The how far the data goes back? Like say it's sales, like 14, 30 days. There might be, someone wants to compare 2023 Christmas to 2024 Christmas and see like how they did. I mean like Christmas like as let's say December.
Hmm.
So I'm just curious how far would it go?
Yeah, it's a great question. You have a flexibility of creating a custom data ranges. So you can go custom X days back. You can go custom months back, right? So you're not limited only to a few options that we've preset. You can also go multiple months ago back. So the look back period is basically uh, is limited by Amazon. As far as I know, it's 2 years, something like
Mm-hmm.
that, 2 or
Mm-hmm.
3 years
Mm-hmm.
back,
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
the look back period.